Okay, today finally had a free moment. So I came to work on a shuttle bus conversion. We all know it as the Bango Bus. Trying to get this thing ready for next month. Got to hook up the water tank, shower, and the sink. But today, me and my brother put in, not today, yesterday, me and my brother put in a roof-mounted fan, a max air fan, and for some reason my camera's not working with me. There we go. So this is the install. Came out pretty good. I wired it up temporarily. I learned something today about the shuttle bus conversion. I thought I was slick and seen everybody gut theirs and rebuild everything, even the ceiling. I didn't, and was able to get away with the recessed lighting, use the wires that was up there and tap into them. But the ceiling fan I was not able to. There's wooden strips running the length of the bus front to back. It's preventing me from running wires left to right. In addition to these lights here that I put in a previous upgrade edition, they're just soft touch LEDs. So what apparently is the problem with this bus, this roof here is doubled. There's an outer layer and an inner layer, so I'm able to manipulate some wires. But from here to the front curve is single. It's a single layer roof, and so I cannot run wires in between. I'm gonna have to come up with another way of doing things. I'm probably gonna get some like external channel that you would use in the house to hide wires, and run it up on the ceiling. Also, Jennings, I didn't forget you with the recommendation for the cushions. I just didn't get to them yet. And Robert Braden, I did not forget you with the modification to the door. Just didn't get a chance to get to it yet, but I will. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. And oh, something else that I did. I was able to put the refrigerator from this area to down there. I didn't, just to show you that it's working. There you go. I'm gonna build a tray and put it on a slide out, so I can slide the refrigerator out and in when I need things. Much better than there, because when I slid it out I couldn't see in it. So I don't know what to do with this area now. I don't know if I should make that storage, make it a desk, take the microwave from up there and put it down there, or just enclose it. So you guys got suggestions? What should I do? No smart remarks. Hit me up in the comments. All right, so that is it for now, and tune in for the next mods that I do.